morning from Thailand. We are going to Pattaya today for the one-day trip. Hired the car actually from the one up. So we are going nicely, sitting in the comfy Camry, going to Pattaya. It's about 2 hours drive. I will see you there, and then after sunset we're gonna come back the same way of transportation. So a little bit different than last time when I was going by bus, perhaps. And that's the way going to Pattaya. As you can see, comfortable, plenty of space. You sitting comfortable?
Like us.
Uncle, yeah? Yeah, very good, very good. And we are going like this one. The roads are okay, not much traffic. It was raining, but suddenly rain finished and we arrived just to Pattaya. And Pattaya, there's the beach. It's still cloudy a bit. We're gonna get to the mall. It's very hot. It's 12:30. I just realized there's gonna be some jazz festival today, so interesting. Didn't know that. And then of course we'll show you around a little bit of Pattaya. We're gonna enjoy it a little bit of the time. And around 6 p.m. we're going back to Bangkok. First of all, little bit of the mall situation. We're going to the Central Festival. There's the Starbucks. Then normally I go to the viewpoint there, but there's renovations going on, and also was raining.
I can't mind that stone.
My uncle and auntie getting pissed.
Show me your phone.
This is like when you... This is the happy marriage. Our pizzas arrived. We took the 2 pizzas and some sides, but we eat already. But the pizza is the main thing. Looks good, looks decent. I know it's pineapple on it, but we are in Thailand, right? Refill Coke. We are in the pizza company. Nice place, actually, not bad. The name of the company is like this one, the pizza company. It's outside rainy and cloudy, unfortunately, but at least we have a nice view, so it's cool, still cool. And some proper pizza will do. You got the problem solved or what? I'm hungry. Yeah. So who was right then?
She's right.
Oh my god, ladies always right. I told you, right?
Just one.
Just once. Okay, enjoy the pizzas, guys.
Yeah.
By the way, the rain outside is so bad right now. You know, the malls is good. People running to the mall, but we are already in the mall, guys. What you taking, Auntie?
So I don't know what it is.
What's going on? It's like taking the Japanese this one or this one. Whoa, what the hell?
Where does it come out? It's down the bottom.
Oh, it's going?
It's in the bottom.
Oh, in the bottom? Oh, cool. So funny, actually. The good thing is the rain is finished and we are full. It's 2:30 p.m. It's still very hot. We have a few hours in Pattaya. Gonna have some drink, show you a little bit around in the worst case scenario. You can always hang out in the mall or in the Starbucks down there with the view. But the weather now is nice. So this is the rainy season in Thailand. It's rain 1 hour, 1.5, half hour, and then will be beautiful weather as always. But it's cool in general. Good to be back. It's like somehow I always like Pattaya for some reason. That's the pretty cool looking Pattaya golden sign at the front of the Central Festival. Cool, I like it. That's something new. One thing what I realized in Thailand, in Bangkok previously, and here in Pattaya, is there are food trucks, but the weed trucks are gone completely everywhere. There are no more weed trucks here. Long time ago they were everywhere here, if you remember that. But and here on Sukhumvit 11, but not here anymore. It's gone. And the beach is there. We're gonna stroll around. Actually, I'm gonna get myself ice cream from this food truck. They have a nice cones, and they have 3 flavors: vanilla, chocolate, and chocolate. Why not? Here we go. My ice cream is coming. I took the chocolate cone with chocolate. This one, thank you. The ice cream for 50 baht, like this one, is something new. It wasn't like that when I was last time. So cool. Okay, let's go to the beach. Apparently, there are some works ongoing on the promenade here in Pattaya at some point. So they feels like they're also making the brand new promenade, something like they used in Bali, the new tiles. And some of the places are closed, so this is it. But there are still stalls here, so nothing really has changed. That's the tiles, what they're gonna use it, like this one, the big one. Okay, that seems like they're investing. So that's the Hilton, that's the Pattaya Chuk Chuk Drive, like it's kind of the bars here where we used to hang out with Winny. And then in the background you can see some buildings and apartments, and the other part of the Pattaya, obviously. And there will be the concert today. I don't know what's concert. I only know it's the jazz music concert. Overall, that's the vibe. This is like for the low season actually still. It was busier when we were with Winny here last time, because January, February actually that's the high season. November is still like a border between high and low season, end of the rainy season, but obviously a little bit of the rain time to time. As you see, still wet. I'm afraid it's may be rainy, so the plan B is going to Starbucks over there and enjoy the coffee from with the view. So technically you can enjoy the time like this one, like the people do. You can buy the lottery perhaps. Here you go. That's how you enjoying the time in Pattaya. Very similar to Bali, to Kuta actually, but that's the style. That will be the concert there, and that's the sun, jet skis, water sports, everything you can have it. Sunset's gonna be there, that's why it's so darker. And overall the sun is wet because it's rain season, but even it's rain season, people are still enjoying the time, maybe not too busy, but enjoying the time. And there is no rubbish on the beach. Can you imagine that? Rain season in Thailand, in Pattaya, no rubbish. Cool, nice, I like it. And this is the spot where always I remember Hilton and the Festival Central Mall. And that's the bars where all the people hanging out with their partners, mostly hanging out, enjoying the times. This is famous Pattaya vibes here. Also, you can find this, of course, why not? And that's the vibe of Pattaya in general. You have so nice looking decent palm trees. Actually, they are palm trees, not the coconut trees. That's a big difference. And then you have a stand here under the construction. So there will be some concerts with the jazz music, as I said.
This is just the latest live performance.
Basically, there are some restaurants, of course, along the main street next to the beach, like this one, the bars, restaurants. You can get to the Pattaya city deep inside, actually over there, the central Pattaya, of course. And there will be regularly something live music performance today. I'm not sure what exactly, some jazz music, jazz festival. As you can see, it's so dark, so it's something cool. It's nice actually, as Thailand is doing stuff like this one, and they're doing on the beach, so a lot of people can enjoy. Feels like just a little bit unlucky with the weather going to Pattaya. Always with Winny, we had a beautiful weather. Today it's just cloudy, so it's not looks like optimistic and beautiful like it normally is, but still good to be back. And I'm gonna tell you, the hot and humid is very high. It's already started to be raining. I don't know if you can see the water drops right here right now, but they are already, so that's now is the coffee time. And this is the concert today, Pattaya Jazz Festival 2023, and this is the guy. Auntie said that she knows him. Who is that?
I think he's Kenny G.
Who's that?
He's a famous sax player.
Oh yeah?
He's pretty good looking.
Okay. She said he's pretty good looking. So you gonna sign the divorcing papers? Not yet, but Pattaya is Pattaya, can get wild, right? Okay, let's go to the Starbucks over there. So will be the view to the beach actually. There's Christmas vibes already, Christmas tree, Christmas decoration. They're gonna have a nice mocha here. You have a sittings down there, but it's also up there. I'm gonna show you the Starbucks in Pattaya prices. Like this one, not the cheapest though, but in Asia generally Starbucks is not the cheapest one. And my mocha is in progress with whipped cream. Thank you. I'm gonna enjoy my hot mocha. I know, I like hot mocha. And it suits to the Christmas vibes in the tropical places like Pattaya, right? But they have a nice Starbucks actually with the views. That's the Thai flag, so you can know as they are Thailand. Obviously, this is the mall where we were, actually, Central Festival. So I saw it from the top, this Starbucks. And then you have a cool view also, just from the patio, which is cool, overlooking the street, overlooking the beach. So in case of the rain or something, you don't need to be worried that you're gonna get wet, and you can enjoy. So it's cool. Actually, cool vibes in Pattaya. For some reason, somehow, I like it. Always, I liked, for some reason. It's pretty simply enjoyable over here. And that's the Pattaya vibes at after sunset time at the front of the mall. It's everything changed, so many tables, live performance, people enjoying their some food. It's open till midnight. And that's the vibes, like this one actually. Cool, overall Pattaya is a pretty cool place to hang out. Somehow I just genuinely like it here. A little bit of the street situation, and beach situation like this one, little bit on the sunset when most of the stars already tidying up. It's supposed to be the sunset. Unfortunately, it's not today because the weather has changed. I mean, it was rainy, it's rain season. Overall cool. And the concert gonna be there. That's the vibes. Little bit more people, but I think it's just simply quieter in November than in February. But that's the vibes. Right, after 2.5 hour drive, we got a nice car, brand new Fortuner actually, that is upgraded for free. Cool. We arrived to the Jots Fair, gonna have a dinner. This is like a cool night market in the city center of Bangkok, nearby the Soi 11 actually. One thing about the Jots Fair is that this is the market surrounds with the skyscrapers everywhere, like this one, because it's in the city center technically. So 195 buildings and everything. It's actually very interesting. Auntie and uncle making pictures of something. They're actually something new. The stars like this one wasn't like that. There are nice restaurants actually here. Last time there were only stars, wasn't this one, at least I don't remember. Yo, what's up? Inside the market, looks definitely much more like it's supposed to be. A lot of people, a lot of stars everywhere. There's the mall in the background, this is the edge actually. My favorite star with the Coca-Cola in the glass bottle is here, so cool. Happy to see that. They still have it, churchy but still okay. Skewers, seafood, fruits, bananas, skewers. Place to eat, palm trees. This is the place. That's how does it look like overall. A lot of is going on. Ideo Mobi, this is the condominium, very popular brand. Overall 360. This is how does it look like. Pretty busy but not so crazy busy. The one of the nice stars is here with the very nice skewers here everywhere they making. This is like a really beautiful star with the beautiful skewers everywhere. Any kind of, even the salmon one and everything, and the seafood and the prawns. Like this one, fresh stuff. For some people, even pork ribs and everything is paradise. We have the skewers here and they are all good priced. And very nice stuff. Check this out, what this auntie is doing. Auntie, what did you bought?
I bought something naughty.
What? The brownie? Happy brownie. I wanna record that, how you behave after this one. This will be the naughty uncle and auntie. It was long but pretty easy going day. We're having some skewer as the snack. Can I enjoy before it's rain? It was long day but at the same time easy going day in Pattaya. See you tomorrow on another video from Thailand. See ya.